Honorable Justice Mr. I.P. Mukerji, Chief Justice of the High Court of Meghalaya, Honorable Justice H.S. Thank you, Judge, High Court of Meghalaya, Honorable Justice W. Shillong, Judge, High Court of Meghalaya, Honorable Justice B. Bhattacharjee, Judge, High Court of Meghalaya, the President of the Bar of the High Court Bar, Senior Advocate Mr. K. Shillong, Senior Advocates, learned members of the Bar. Today we've all gathered here in honor of our Chief Justice who is retiring a coming week. Of course, he will be sitting in the court in the coming week also, but since today was a suitable date and after having a discussion with Honorable Chief Justice, we decided to have this gathering today. My Lords, we are very grateful. Lordship has spared his time along with Honorable Judges of the High Court. Without further ado, I will request Ms. R. Harshit, who is an executive member of the Bar Association, to welcome our Honorable Chief Justice by felicitating him with a bouquet of flowers and also a traditional shawl for the reindeer. Thank you, Lucy. Now I request Lucy Dajong to felicitate Honorable Justice H.S. Thank you with a bouquet of flowers. Bouquet of flowers.
Thank you all for being here today. Honor and celebrate the distinguished career of our esteemed Chief Justice. I would like to begin by extending a warm welcome to Honorable Mr. Justice I.P. Mukerji, Chief Justice, Honorable Justice H.S. Thank you, Honorable Mr. Justice Shillong, Honorable Mr. Justice B. Bhattacharjee, the Office Bearer of the High Court Bar Association, the Senior Advocate, and all the members of the Meghalaya High Court Bar Association. Today we gather to bid farewell Honorable Mr. Justice I.P. Mukerji, Chief Justice, who after a remarkable tenure is retiring from bench. It's good an honor and a privilege to welcome you all to this special farewell program. As we come together, we recognize the legacy of service, wisdom, and unwavering commitment to justice that Honorable Mr. Justice I.P. Mukerji, Chief Justice, has shared with our community. He has been a pillar of our judicial system, demonstrating not only the intellect and knowledge required for such an important role, but also compassion, integrity, and deep sense of fairness. Whether in the courtroom or beyond, he has touched countless lives with a sense of justice that transcends localities and speaks directly to a shared value of equity and respect. Today we celebrate not just the doctor but Honorable Mr. Justice I.P. Mukerji, Chief Justice. As we reflect on his exceptional career, we are reminded of countless cases under the
Music is, Shillong is known for its music, and we generally start every program in this part of the country with a welcome song. And we have a lot of talented lawyers who sing beautifully. One of them is Ida. Ida will be presenting a song, and she will also tell us a little bit about the song before she starts the song. Can I welcome Ida to the stage, please?
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Your Lordships. The song that I'm going to present at the moment is entitled One Day by Marcus Yahoo. And this song is about world peace and a future that we can imagine where there is no war and we live freely.
On my cause list today is actually, I've not sought his permission, but then I would request Justice Sessions, thank you, to also come to the podium and say a few words today. I'm sorry, my lord, I did not seek your permission in advance, but
Anyway, what is impromptu is the best. Hopefully.
Yes, good evening everyone, and Honorable Chief Justice Mukerji, my brother judges, President of the Bar, the office bearers, senior advocates, and all the young faces here. So as I was saying just now, this is an ambush. Asked me to say a few words, but all the same, I'm very happy that I can stand here and at least just share something with all of you. And first thing is, I guess when they had come to invite me that day, I was saying that I don't recall the association having a welcome function for the Chief Justice. And so the secretary was saying that today will have to be, a farewell, a welcome and a farewell meeting all into one. So anyway, you see, as working with the Chief Justice, Honorable Justice I.P. Mukerji, and first, what I would like to say is that you come across very few people, especially in the judiciary, who are such thorough gentlemen like our Chief Justice. I mean, I've been a bit in the bench now, and I've gone through 6 or 7 Chief Justices and also interacted with many across the country in travels and meetings. And again, I would repeat, that is a thorough gentleman, and the way he's conducted himself as a person, as a judge, and how he asks also, I can say that the cooperation that he sought and the cooperation that we gave, it is not, like I'd like to share with you, there's some Chief Justices who come, they come with their own ideas, they come with their own, situations, and sometimes coming to a new place, they, I think you understand, you will come to a new place, how to react to certain situations, how to deal with the lawyers, how to deal with project judges, leaves, sometimes rubs many people the wrong way, or they create, some unpleasant situations. But I would like to say that the Chief Justice, when he came, and he has shown his love for the place, and I think, keeps on repeating it also, and he means it. And he's had a long and distinguished career. I mean, one of the most senior Chief Justices in India. And from, I think you're watching from 2008, 9, yes, from 2009 till now, so it's been a really long time. And we also fortunate to have that wealth of experience that he brought with him when coming to our High Court. No doubt a small High Court, but he valued the kind of work that we have, and is not disrespectful to our culture, and in fact imbibed everything in a very positive way. So I don't have any more words to say except that it was wonderful having you as Justice, and I hope in the days to come that we don't lose our connect, and that you will, please continue to visit us or to guide us or to in any possible way. Thank you very much.
There will be another ambush, but I don't think so this will be an ambush, because I am sure by now Honorable Justice Dinglo must have guessed that I will also call him to the podium to say a few words. Since Honorable Judges work closely with the Chief Justice, I think they will be the right people to share a few things to this august House. May I request Honorable Justice Thank you to also say a few words, please. I'm sorry, Honorable Justice Dinglo.
Honorable Chief Justice, Justice I.P. Mukerji, my esteemed brothers, Justice thank you, and Justice Mukerji, Mr. Kinjin, President of the High Court Bar Association, and I should look angry eyes at Kishore. Because you see, he is not satisfied with getting one word. Instead, he still won one stone, or two birds with one stone. So here I am caught in this trap. But nevertheless, I would say this: it's very happy. It's a happy occasion to be in the midst of all of you. We've been meeting from time to time. We practically know each other through our interaction in court. And as Mr. Thank you has said, we've had a number of Chief Justices come and go. Every one of them, I would say, had left an indelible mark in the annals of our High Court. As far as our Chief Justice is concerned, I would say this: apart from what Justice Thank you had said, his legal acumen and his, what is remarkable is his temperament. You must have noticed that, you must have experienced that. Hardly will you find a Chief Justice who is as cool as a cucumber. Never gets angry, never frustrated, except very few occasions. And those are negligible. It reflects a man who is confident. It reflects a man who is in control of the situation. It reflects a man who has immense wisdom to deal with what is, in hand or at hand. And I'm very, as everyone was saying, I am very fortunate to be sharing the bench with His Lordship. In fact, I used to tell His Lordship, I have learned so many things from him. Many things. And, it not only enrich me, I believe it would enrich members of the bar, and it will have, an effect, calming effect on all those who have contact or who have been in contact with His Lordship. It would be a very sad occasion for us to see him go. But then things as they are, everyone has to leave one way or the other. And it is on this note that having this interaction, meeting here, it would be a very perfect platform to say goodbye on your behalf. I'll still be meeting you. So, thank you very much for this time that you have given me to share something, at least whatever comes to my mind. Thank you.
Good evening. Honorable Chief Justice Mukerji, Honorable Justice H.S. thank you. Honorable Justice W. Dingo, the President of the Bar, which appears to him, the Senior Advocate, and the Secretary. Well, I do not know, I have not been told that I have to come here to speak something, and that also giving me the last opportunity after everything. Now, this is very unfair. Anyway, since I've been called, so I have to say a few words. Well, as has already been said, that the Chief Justice, Honorable Chief Justice, is very cooperative. In spite of the fact that he came from a big high court, it did not matter the work here. Rather, he appreciated the variety of work here. He also appreciated the bar here, the decency of the bar. And of course, I did not have much opportunity to sit with him. The major benefit has gone to Justice Diendo. But then, sitting with him made me learn many things, especially the areas where I hardly had any exposure, the commercial laws and the arbitration rules. Of course, I sat with him in very few matters. I have learned many things in the manner and the pertinent questions which have to be determined in such matters. Well, now coming to my things here. All along, you know that I was appointed as an additional judge here, and I remained till the completion of the period of 2 years. Now, as the moment was progressing, it was progressing towards the last. Well, it seemed my Chief Justice was more worried. He was more concerned. It is only because of my lord, probably the things happened. Otherwise, maybe I will come back there again. But I'm, of course, personally, I'm thankful to your lordship. And that's all about. That is everything which I can share at this moment. And well, that's all. Thank you.